What's up everyone, Jack from Half Grown. Today I got something interesting, something different. This is the XK 450, the X450. And as you can see, it's got 3 motors, right? It's a VTOL, a vertical takeoff and landing plane slash drone. It's got 3 different modes. You fly like a plane, you flip a switch, these motors, they pivot upwards. You fly like a drone, you flip a switch, they pivot back, and it stops, and it kind of hovers vertically like this. This is actually the 3rd VTOL I've flown. We have the X1, X plus 1, that was on Shark Tank. That thing was super cool. Then we had the X520, which is a little bit bigger version of this. It didn't have the back motor there. But VTOLs are a good option if you're trying to get into planes and you want something a little bit easier, a little bit safer, a little bit more peace of mind. This is a good option. Let's take a look at this X450 and we'll learn a little bit more about how it flies. Alright, let's switch modes. Alright, let's see if I can find it here. Wow. Okay, so let's start with these. These are the motors. They're 1370s, and there are 3 of them, and they're on servo, so they'll pivot up and down depending on which mode you're in. And this remote is actually really nice that comes with it. It's called the X8, and these switches here, how you change position, right? You can see top is M mode or multi-rotor mode. That's if you want to fly it like a drone. 1 click down puts it into what they call 6G mode or airplane mode, right? And then 1 switch down, V mode or vertical mode. You can fly it 3 different ways. Really, there's only one that I think I would really fly it in, and that is the middle mode. That's the 6G mode. That's airplane mode, right? Drone mode is fine, but really, if you want to fly it in drone mode, get a drone. It's really kind of that simple. And then this red button here, this plunger, right, switches the altitude hold on and off for the 6G, 3G. You push a button and you have full functionality. So basically enabling acro mode. So if you want to do flips and barrel rolls and things like that, this is the button. We also have a takeoff button and a stick mode button. Really, this is a nice addition. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 AA batteries in the back. And it does not have the option to work with a LiPo, so you got to keep that in mind. So this drone slash plane will cost you about $120. And actually JJRC has kind of like a clone of this thing for $100. If you're looking for something that's fun and easy to fly, I'd go with this. Now keep in mind, flying an airplane or a VTOL has some disadvantages to that of a drone, right? First, when you crash, this is styrofoam and it's not going to hold up very well. Plus we've got all these servos and things. There's a whole lot of extra little fragile parts that when you're flying a drone or even a helicopter, they tend to break a little bit easier than flying a standard drone or quadcopter, especially some of these ready to fly things made out of carbon fiber. Not to say that they don't break. I've broken plenty of them. But these planes I think are just a little bit more fragile. So when you fly, make sure you're in a wide open space. You don't have any trees. And you know, when you're gonna land this thing, don't try to land it like a plane. Do one of those vertical landings or hover and land. That's what really makes this a little bit easier to fly than a plane. There is a spot on the bottom for an FPV camera, and it's a Wi-Fi. It's not actually an option in Banggood to buy it with that. I would recommend putting one of these on, right? And we did that with our XK 520. This is just an all-in-one camera. You plug a little battery to it, you attach it to the nose here, and it offers a really cool perspective. You can fly this thing FPV, do flips and rolls, and that's a whole lot of fun. That's how I really enjoy flying this thing. But yeah, this is a good little VTOL drone if that's what you're looking for. Hey, let us know, what do you think about this thing, the X420? Are you thinking about the JJRC for $100? Do you want something a little bit bigger, the X520? Are you into planes? Are you into VTOLs? Are you just into drones? Anyway, let us know what you think. Hopefully you have fun. Good luck, get out there, have some fun flying. Make sure to check us out on halfgrown.com. Have a great day.